Hi, this is Bill, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to walk you through the ServiceNow Program Workbench. So I will show you how it can help PMOs like you to manage and track your complex programs with confidence and control. Now, in this first view, this is the program landing page. This is a central dashboard where all programs across your enterprise are listed in a clean and card-based layout. Each card here will represent you a distinct program. And as an example, such as the Sales Enablement Program on the top left, HR Digital Transformation Program, and others. And as part of this representation, you will be able to also see, for your clarity, the program owner, which is easily identified, which will help you ensure who is accountable and the owner at the strategic level. So from you, in a PMO perspective, this page will provide a single unified view of all active programs. It will give stakeholders immediate visibility into what's in progress, what you've planned, and who's also responsible. Also without needing to dive into separate tools or status reports. Now let us drill down into one of the programs, which is the HR Digital Transformation. Once inside, you will land to the Program Workbench. The first tab on the left is a timeline view. This will give you a breakdown of the key projects under the program, and eventually we have two. Each project is represented by a bar chart in the middle. So this bar across the timeline allows you to visualize the start and end dates and the current progress and the possible any potential delays. And in this example, the HR service is in a work in progress state shown in the box, showing you clear timeline and visibility. So this timeline-based view is particularly useful for tracking your delivery, sequencing, and dependencies across multiple projects within your program. So for PMOs like you, this is where you gain insight into a program level, coordinating, and you are delivering with full confidence. Now, switching over the Project KPI tab, we get a more analytical view. Here in each project, it is assessed across 5 key dimensions like overall, schedule, cost, resources, and scope. Traffic light indicators make it easy for you to identify which projects are on track and which ones may need intervention. And in this example, the project shows a yellow overall status. Scheduled cost and scope are all green, but resource availability is flagged yellow, signaling a potential constraint. These KPI indicators help PMOs like you to act quickly and to be able to resolve issues before even the impact becomes broader. Now let us take a look on the project itself. So by just double clicking the timeline, opening the 9-box request project, you can see that it's currently in the executing phase, with the project progress at just over 13%. And as we go below the tab of dates, you will have full visibility of the planned start date and the end date, which has now passed. The approved end date has been extended, so you will have full control and manageability of your project timeline. So this snapshot gives a real-time view of where your project stands against your plan. Now, as we go to the top left, you will see you will have full status, and it's currently set in yellow, and the delay is immediately visible. This will enable you as a PMO to follow up with the right teams and assess the impact across the project timeline. This level of detail gives you the ability to view from the high-level program visibility down to the project execution data. So this is one of the features that makes a ServiceNow Program Workbench so powerful. It brings structure, transparency, and accountability to the enterprise program delivery, all while enabling productive decision-making from the project management office. Now, as we go back to the main view, this gear icon to the left will also give you the ability to add more information like return of investment and also the program score. So with the tick of a button, now you will have an additional column to view each project score. If you found this walkthrough helpful, consider subscribing to the channel for more content like this, including live demos, best practices, and real-world examples from ServiceNow implementations. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next video.